Jamaica's Reggae Boys come from behind late to qualify for 2024 Copa America Games after defeating host Canada 3-2. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica's Reggae Boys created a massive upset and also made a comeback for the ages to defeat Canada 3-2 in their second leg of their League A quarterfinals of the 2023-2024 CONCACAF Nations League on Tuesday night at the BMO Field in Toronto. It is the first ever Jamaican victory on Canadian side.
Not man. Oh, the ball now. Come on! Get the ball.
The Jamaica Reggae Boys have now advanced to the 2023-2024 CONCACAF Nations semi-finals in March and have also qualified for the Copa America in 2024. When the final whistle was blown, a number of fans back home and also in Canada took the time to celebrate, with a number of videos have gone viral online.
Yes!
take over. Nova Scotia, the boss comes, everybody to the shoulder. I took the left man and back in line, coaster, food, fruit, and close, cologne, and down, food. They got extend, with the girl that extend. As she a move to the beat, the foot thing. I will not take it, you with the insect. This is a scene of the boat, I'm in the tent, and check the sound.
People have looked on it. I bet say enough of them never know it. I've only lost 3 official games since I represent Jamaica from 2019 when we were on the big. Ask how much people know that. Choosing 3 games from me to play with Jamaica, official game. 4 if you want to count a friendly against Argentina. 2 semi-final, 2 World Cup semi-final, I lose. When me up on the field, yeah? When me up on the field. 2 semi-final and 1 year in Jamaica against Canada. 3 games. Check the stats. When me up on the field, 3 games, how much people can say that? From me, when me up on the field, I've only lost 3 official games with Jamaica. And at 2019, I start playing with Jamaica. And at 2024, we are going, how much you hear that? How much keeps me up for Jamaica?
A number of fans have took to social media in order to congratulate the team and also wish them the best on their football journey. It was all Canada at the start of the game, and if it was not too incredible save from Jamaica's goalkeeper Andre Blake, Canada could have easily had a goal advantage in the quarter of an hour into the game. Canada finally got their breakthrough in the 25th minute when Alphonso Davies met across from the left and fired a shot that was initially deflected by Blake but spun backwards into the net, putting Canada in the lead. Jamaica needed a response, and in minutes after the restart, Lane Bailey looked poised to score with a left-footed shot but instead struck the crossbar. The equalizer came in the 63rd minute as a giveaway in the Canadian half, which led to a quick response from Shemar Nicholas, who led the Jamaicans to lead it 1-1. The equalizer came in the 63rd minute as a giveaway in the Canadian half, led to a quick response, and Shemar Nicholas capitalized on the opportunity. The equalizer came in the 63rd minute as a giveaway. The equalizer came in the 63rd minute as a giveaway in the Canadian half, led to a quick response and break, and Shemar Nicholson. The equalizer came in the 63rd minute as a giveaway in the Canadian half, led to a quick response and a break from Shemar Nicholson that struck to capitalize on the offer to make it 1-1. Jamaica was now on a high and in quick succession nailed 2 more goals in the back of the net. When the final whistle was blown, Jamaica was leading Canada 3-2, and to top it all off, the fans inside the stadium was having a wonderful time. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.